In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Merchant Center Next, a powerful tool for beginners who are looking to showcase their products online efficiently. So let's get started on this exciting journey to optimize your online store. First and foremost, you need to create a Google Merchant Center account. Head over to the official Google Retail website. Once you are there, simply click on the Start Now button. It's your gateway to setting up your online presence. You'll need to provide a few essential details: your business name, the country you're operating in, and your website address. These are crucial pieces of information that help Google understand your business better. Once that's submitted, ensure you read through the terms and conditions carefully, and then with a simple click, create your account. Next, it's important to verify and claim your website. This might sound technical, but it essentially means proving you own the domain from which you plan to list your products. Google provides you with an HTML tag that you can add to your website's code. Once you've added it, your site will be verified. Once this step is complete, you're just one step closer to listing your products online. Moving forward, it's time to set up your business information. Navigate to the sidebar and locate the business info section. Here, you'll be asked to provide your business address, a customer service contact number, and your return policy. Having all this information readily available helps build trust with potential customers, ensuring they know exactly what to expect when making a purchase from your store. Now, let's talk about adding products. This is where Google Merchant Center Next truly simplifies the process. You have the flexibility to manually add products if you have just a few items, or if you prefer a hands-on approach. Simply go to Products, then Add Products, and fill in all relevant information like title, description, price, link, images, availability, brand, and even GTIN if you have one. On the other hand, if you're running a larger store, automatic imports might be the way to go. You can connect directly to platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, or upload a product feed in CSV, TSV, or XML format. Once you've listed your products, it's important to check their status. After your products are in the system, they undergo a review process. You can go to Products, then All Products to see which items have been approved and which ones might need some attention due to disapproval. If there are any issues, don't worry, you can always fix them and resubmit until everything is in perfect shape. And there you have it. You now know how to set up and use Google Merchant Center Next. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to reaching more customers and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.